Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print from the coupons.com site. I tell you guys this every day. I'm sorry, or every time I show you guys these videos, it's a broken record, but I do print my coupons from Swagbucks because I get paid like points for every coupon that I use, and then I also get paid when I use those coupons at the store. So it does add up. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But it looks like they added a couple different coupons. The Skintimate Edge is available. I do think we have some coupons available, but I'm going to print that off anyways because you never know. They did add the Ben & Jerry's. We got a 75 cents off of 2, $1 off of 3, and then $2 off of 4. I'm not going to print those off because I don't know if I need them. But there is a 50 cent for Huggies and a $2 for Huggies, and then there's $1 off Aveeno. I'm just going to print that off because there might be some deals. It looks like the Aveeno and Aleve possibly reset. I'm printing these off because I think there might be some deals with that. But yeah, those definitely reset. The Glade is still available. The Skippy is still available. CoverGirl is still available. But I know, yeah, I told Ben to be quiet in my video and he's screaming, playing in the background. So sorry if you guys hear him having fun in the background. But yeah, they did add the Smucker's Jif is still available. Happy Baby products is still available. Scrubbing bubbles, a lot of this stuff is still available in case you guys need to print it out. But I just wanted to share with you guys the ones that were right on the top, like the Ben & Jerry's and other things. But other than that, I am not seeing anything else that is really pointing out. And then the ones that did not reset, that never reset, are the Perel. So if you guys still haven't printed those off. But other than that, those are the new coupons to print and some coupons that did reset. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys all later in my Walmart Ibotta haul. Goodbye.